For reading today, we are on week 4, day 17, and our topic is animal studies, and we are going to be reading about squirrels. Our fiction story is Scaredy Squirrel by Melanie Watt, and our nonfiction book that is going to teach us some facts is Squirrels. So when you are done with the link Take Me There, you can do a math activity and you can watch a video called Eat Up Animals. So first you want to press on Take Me There. So here you can watch the story Scaredy Squirrel and read the book Squirrels. And you can do puzzlers, so word match, fact or fiction, which came first, and then you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you're done, it's really important to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. When you're done with that, please do your phonics lesson and then practice reading, either books at your house or on Epic Books.